Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Turbo Switch Strike. Amadill's A3, which should be A4. So like I said, if these YouTube WBBA wiki forum people don't want to participate and, update the wiki, then why are you into that stuff? I mean, if I were Japanese and I got a whole, Japanese, the cartoon ones, so I could actually read it counter for counter. I'd be like, okay, on the channel, I'm going to do an unboxing. This is, what a special gimmick is. This is how you activate a special gimmick. But then, I'll go to the wiki forum and be like, type it in there. Type. Hit a couple keys. This is what it does. This is how you do it. Also, you can't figure it out. Go to my channel, and then, I'll actually show you on the channel how you do it. So you can activate the gimmicks and stuff. Real simple and easy, but nope. And they claim, oh, we do so much for the BBA community. No, if you're not updating with information, the only way to get the information is to find a specific YouTube channel. That's not helping out the BBA community. That's, well, it is a little bit, but it's only on the YouTube side. What about the people that, don't know your channel's name, and, they just go to the wiki forum just to find basic general information about it? No. Which is not helping the WBBA community grow, because, like I said, out of the whole 50 states here in the United States, there's only like one Bay tournament location. While, like I said, in Canada and stuff, there's like about 6, there's like, I think 4 in Japan, and like Taiwan or something that's like, I want to say 3? There could be a little bit more than 3, but yeah, you look what they say, like all these tournaments are going to be held there, and you see Canada. Ooh, Japan. Okay, China. And then finally, U.S., and you're like, okay, well, is it going to be in the U.S.? You're like, oh, wait, there's only one in the whole entire U.S. Yay! No, that's not a yay, that's actually a boo. Because, no. They need to have more in the U.S. Say, okay, this state gets a base tournament, and the base tournament's coming to your state. And, well, because your state's nuts for a bay tournament. Oh, you didn't make it to that tournament at that state? But guess what? In a month or 2, we're coming down to your state, so you could bay battle! Yeah, in a tournament! Yeah, but they don't do it, because Hasbro and Takara Tomy are stupid. Now, Takara Tomy is kind of smart, but we know Hasbro's more stupid. But, if the two companies collaborate, which is what they were supposed to do for the WBBA Wiki, more freaking tournaments, more bladers, more BBA community, more outreach, more support. But they don't want to do it. They want to distance themselves from the actual bladers out there. The real life bladers, they want to put as much distance as they can. A 10-foot pole, not long enough. 20-foot pole, not long enough. A 455-foot pole, maybe barely cutting close to being at max distance. If they could get another like 2,500 feet on that pole, they would. Because, that's how the WBBA community is compared to the actual players reaching out to be like, oh, hey, I know you. I saw your YouTube channel. Or like, hey, you wrote that on the WBBA community. Thanks for helping me out and telling me that tip and trick. How to do this with my bay. So that's why the little performance tip wasn't locked in the Swiss Strike. Not Swiss Strike, but the swing shot ones. Because I know their performance tips are a little tricky to lock it into the little section that you try and lock it into. And you're like, okay, so that's why I was doing one. Or not doing it at all. But yeah. So here is the QR code. Let's see. There we go. As you see, this is how much it's... Yeah. Wow. Nothing. There's its gimmick. It only comes out to that far. But looking at it on the back of the box, it looks like those little blades show out a little bit more. Like, see? From close compact to, wow, really more like almost aligned with the size of how these golden yellow these spikes come out. Almost like that big. But the red ones, like, really non-existent at all. I mean, like, why even do it? Say that it's a gimmick when it's not really a gimmick. So this little fellow right here, aMATERiOS, that's at least what I'm going to call him because he goes by many different names. Like it says, main article, Angela aMATERiOS A3. In-depth information for the aMATERiOS A3 Angela will be placed here once drafts has been completed for it. Please be patient. Please stop giving us this BS. Tell us what it is. Now, if you look on the Atari Told Me website on the WBA forum, it's like, dude, this is the sun. It holds the power of the sun. It is the sun god. I don't think they use the word sun god, but it has the power of the sun. It's a solar bay, I guess you just call it that. Now, it does have the little hole in here for the level chip. But again, Hasbro, I don't think they ever made level chips. If they did, it was in one particular set, and that's about it. I mean, we need level chips if you're going to continue to make bays that has the hole for the level chips. Don't make people go out and buy Atari Told Me level chips on eBay. There's like over 300 bucks that you don't even know if you're going to get the level chip. It could be broken. It could be the wrong item. They could just keep your money because, guess what? It's Evil Bay. Yeah. eBay is like the dark web of stuff. Because, I mean, they lie, they cheat, they steal. Yet, they're still known as a legitimate company. You know, they pull all the BS stuff. That's where, like, Better Business Bureau needs to give out and be like, you know what? You're selling this product, you say it's authentic, you say that it's a Takari Tomy product. When the customer pays for it, send them an actual Takari Tomy product. Or, if you take the money, we're going to hunt you down, we're going to sue you, you're going to show up in court. If people get you the money for a product, you get them the product. If you ain't going to get them the product, don't take their money. That's what we need going on. Launchers, you know, left-right launcher, so we'll just put it in the white spin mode here. Then we have our force disc, which I like to call a PC. So we have our force disc, which is aMATERiOS, which they says kind of a triangle, but looks like two little triangles kind of lay on top of each other somehow. You do see a letter A there, a lowercase letter, right there. And then this part, our PC, which here they call it a DF for a disc frame, is Angel. So if I just remove this by lining it up, which, like I said, first time is kind of tricky to line up. Let's see, to remove it. There we go. Here is Arrow. Has two little stars on the back. And then we have this, which also has a lowercase a. Put it right there and right there. Which is our disc frame, not a PC, not a plastic frame from the 4D series, but a disc frame, which is Angel. Yeah, I don't know how this is an Angel. It looks more like a flaming meteorite. But they want to call it Angel. Okay. Don't know who the heck comes up with these names, because obviously they don't know what Angel looks like. And here's our driver, which kind of has like the design there that looks like the outer part of the bay. And this is called Anchor. It's kind of like a hard, rubbery, almost mixture of hard and soft rubber on like this little orange piece here. Then kind of a flat driver there, spike flat I would say. So yeah, the PC flame didn't even snap on there. There we go. Let's see if there's any information on here, because I don't know. Just, 2-port forged disc. Nothing that really tells us anything important, so let's get our Switch Strike base stem out here. Not Strike, Turbo. Baby Turbo. I believe this was Whale Wash. So yeah, that's how it spins. So let's actually go up against Ogre. I got it set for the spike mode. Which, yeah. See how good that did. Okay. Why is this BSing me? So, I guess it's pretty good. It did burst Ogre. But let's see if we could try and reverse and launch aMATERiOS first, and then Ogre. So give me a second here to put Ogre back together.